To use the Focus app, visit focus.stanco.org. Use the login credentials your Focus representative has provided. After logging in, you will see the First Responder Focus notification window. The incident date and incident time will autofill based on the time of your login. Your referring agency will also auto-populate based on your login credentials. Enter the officer or reporter name, as well as the case number, if applicable. Enter the child's first and last name, date of birth, and select the school from the drop-down list. If you click on the date of birth field, you can select the date from a calendar, or you can simply type in the date, keeping in mind the format. When hitting the Submit button, the site you selected from the drop-down will be notified. At this screen, you can add information about another student or exit. To use the app from your mobile device, visit focus.stanco.org and follow the same steps that you would on the desktop. Enter the username and password, and enter the appropriate information. When you have entered all the information, use the Submit Focus button. To add a shortcut on your Android mobile device, visit focus.stanco.org in Chrome. Click the menu and select Add to Home Screen. You can change the name of the icon if you'd like, otherwise just click Add twice and the shortcut will appear on your home screen. The same can be done on an Apple device. Visit focus.stanco.org through Safari, click on the Export icon, and select the Add to Home Screen button. You can also change the name if you'd like, but otherwise click Add and you will see that icon on your device.